Hey guys, hope you are doing well, even if the crypto market turned into red and the market is falling today. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial investment advice, everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Guys, smash those like, push the bell, notification, all. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is important for the YouTube algorithm. And let's check our favorite bubble chart. Let's see what's happening out there. We see Bitcoin is down 2.2%, Ethereum in just plus minus 0, so not too much happened. So Ethereum holding strongly. I don't know what is the reason, but also Bitcoin and other altcoins in the top 20, the falling. Just near protocol is pumping, but GMT and Kava a little bit, but waves consolidating further, and also Ava, Zilliqa, Salo. So let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. I think we are getting back into the fear zone, so now it is at 37. Yesterday it was at 34. So after a few weeks of consolidating in the neutral zone, the index came back to the fear zone. So investors are still fearful, and we can expect a longer period of time consolidation here and just waiting to getting back in the neutral and the greed zone. So guys, let's go and check our first news. Bitcoin trader eyes 38,000 dip as Cathie Wood confirms 1 million BTC price target by 2030. Bitcoin risk return to 38,000 support. According to Rack Capital, BTC in the process of trying to turn 43,100 area into support. If it fails to do that, 33 turns into resistance. And if so, then the next level to watch is 38 and 43,000 range, which has a home to consolidation earlier this year. Until then, retest in progress. And also BTC breaking out of the pennant. Yeah, but it failed. This breakout failed. Okay. So Rack Capital dealt a potential silver lining in the form of BTC USD preserving its 50-week exponential moving average EMA after an earlier breakout, and now retesting. Bitcoin 2022 passes markets by. And ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood meanwhile doubled down on a prediction that Bitcoin would cost 1 million by 2030. ARK Innovation has this Bitcoin USD dollar before our Bitcoin chart, and ARK CBOE index. Cool, ETF index. Let's go and check our next news. Next piece of news is Lightning to strike Shopify merchants with addition of BTC payments. So that will be huge. Jack Mallers from Strike CEO revealed the integration of stage at Miami's Bitcoin 2022 conference that Bitcoin will be integrated in Shopify. Shopify is the 80th largest e-commerce company with about 4.6 billion in annual revenue. Cool. If I want to walk into a Whole Foods, a McDonald's, and use different payment network, it's this thing. As a merchant, you can receive in BTC, take Starbucks points. I don't care. Jack Mallers. Any online merchant that uses Shopify can accept payments without the 1949 Boomer network, receive it instantly, cash final, no intermediary, no 3% free. So guys, this is huge. So these are direct payments and immediate payments. So this is an insane news. Hope we will see some nice effect going forward. Next piece of news is Samsung Mao introduces new nation-state adoption for crypto in Bitcoin 2022. Bitcoin is already legal tender in Roatán, Honduras, and Madeira, Portugal. Now a Mexican senator wants to make it so in her country as well. Bitcoin within Prospera operates as legal tender. That means no capital gains tax on BTC. You can transact freely using BTC and you can pay taxes and fees to the jurisdictions in BTC. Great to see. In Mexico, 67 million people are not included in our financial system. Bitcoin is the solution to this problem. Through financial inclusion and financial education, the people can have a better quality of life. So Mexican senator is working on to legislating Bitcoin as a legal tender. So cool. Next piece of news is great news, but the price is not representing this great news. So guys, what's happening out there? Mike, but don't lose faith. Don't lose faith, because Bitcoin will hit $1 million one day, maybe in 2030, maybe before, maybe later. Mike Novogratz doubles down on 500,000 Bitcoin prediction, pushing Bitcoin to 500,000 in the next half a decade. Had shared thoughts behind his prediction. The billionaire expects that not only will the central bank raise interest rates due to the high inflation, but it will also likely raise these interest rates by as high as 50 basis points. However, this cannot continue on forever, and the Fed will eventually need to ease up. This is when Novogratz predicts that Bitcoin will go to the moon. This is what the billionaire expects will push the price of the digital asset as high as his $500,000 prediction. Wary of the dollar, it seems Bitcoin was not the only asset of the concern for Novogratz during the Miami conference. I go to bed and I pray that the steward on the US economy don't screw it up, said Novogratz. Okay, cool. So pray. Let's pray together, guys. Let's pray together. But Bitcoin will serve us. This indicator hints Bitcoin price is poised for 65% upswing. Here is how and when. Price analysis. Yes, so price hits today going below 43,000 US dollar, and the 9-day and the 21-day moving averages sitting around 42,000 US dollar support level. And now we have resistance at 44, 46, 48, 50, 52,000 US dollars. Okay, the indicators suggest a run up. Mike Maglone, a senior commodity strategist at Bloomberg Intelligence, a benchmark cryptocurrency BI trend signal flashed a purchasing signal in the long run. So guys, what is this secret indicator? Okay, according to the researcher, this is the first time BTC has turned positive since 2021, when it was used to monitor market momentum. Okay, Bitcoin is Bitcoin trend signal and backtest results 2015, 2022. Cool. Similar to August 21 signal, almost the same is playing out. But maybe this dip is just diminishing it. So macro conditions remain unfavorable, and the broader pattern remains in a large range of 30 to 70,000. The currently rally may have lags similar to August 2021 signal, which preceded 65% rally. Next piece of news is Avalanche. AVAX shoots 7% as Luna Foundation guard adds Avalanche to the USD reserve. Opa! So they are adding Avalanche to the USD reserve after Bitcoin and Luna. Luna Foundation Guard announced it is adding 100 million in Avalanche to its USD reserves. Okay, and that was a 7% pump. Market cap 23 billion, and it will backing USD. Avalanche is still a growing ecosystem. A lot of it is fueled by loyalty to the AVAX token, and users feel a lot of affinity with an asset that aligns itself with AVAX. Whereas for the average Ethereum user, aligning yourself with Ether doesn't really mean that much. What does it mean for Avalanche? AVAX users will rest on the Avalanche blockchain in the future. Several applications of the Terra blockchain will also launch a version for Avalanche blockchain, so there will be some cross-chain applications. Furthermore, this strategy partnership will also allow Avalanche users to trade USD against our Avalanche tokens directly on the Avalanche blockchain. Emin Gün-Sirer, CEO of the AVAX Labs Avalanche developer, said Terra's ability to scale stablecoins is one of the key reasons behind drawing Avalanche to its platform. I wish that more and more coins would look for ways to grow the crypto space as opposed to compete for the same set of people. Cool, congratulations to Avalanche. And let's go to our next news. Peter Thiel, founder of PayPal, calls enemy number one Warren Buffett a sociopathic grandpa during Bitcoin 2022 Miami. So guys, why is he hurting? Okay, so during the occasion, the Lightning Rod venture investors referred to Berkshire Hathaway chairman and CEO Warren Buffett as a psychotic grandpa from Omaha. We are going to do everything we can to expose them, Thiel stated. He then referred to Buffett as his enemy number one, multiple reports said. Their decisions not to allocate to Bitcoin is fundamentally political one, and we need to push back against them. Attacking the old people, Jamie Dimon, and who else? Thiel asserts central banks are bankrupt. We have reached the end of the fiat money regime. Thiel believes Bitcoin is the apex of the alternative financial system. Even owning a stock entails investing in something akin to a government-linked entity. Woke companies are quasi-government controlled in a way that Bitcoin will never be explained. Upbeat on Bitcoin's future, but doubtful about Ethereum. Bitcoin is not Ethereum as a payment system or an e-gold. It is more akin to the S&P 500 or the stock market in general, he explained. Okay, so 33,000 attendees and over 7 million live stream viewers around the globe. So guys, what an audience. What an audience. Also, you just follow Bitcoin Magazine and you can watch the live streams. Also, I think we will get another one tomorrow. Next piece of news is Metaverse will be most popular place to buy, trade, store cryptocurrency, survey shows. So Metaverse to buy, trade, and not just crypto, but I think all goods and services. So the Metaverse will become the most popular place to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency, according to a recent survey. In addition, 70% of respondents agreed that cryptocurrency and blockchain technology advancements will be critical to shaping the future of the Metaverse. Okay, cool. That sounds amazing. 57% of respondents think that the Metaverse will become the most popular place to buy, store, and trade cryptocurrency, while 18% disagree and 25% feel neutral. NFTs will become the biggest Metaverse currency in the near term. 53% agree, 24% disagree, and 3% neutral. So this is a big shout out to NFTs. Cool. Also, don't forget, guys, that JP Morgan opened the launch in the Decentraland. So this is insane. And also Facebook moving to Metaverse as all other big tech giants doing the same. Next piece of news is Robinhood rolls out wallets to 2 million waitlisted users, plans to integrate Lightning. So 2 million users waiting for the Lightning network. This is insane. Also, they announced it on the Bitcoin 2022. And congrats, you are of the wallets waitlist. Cool. This is awesome. So this is how Bitcoin will be just boosted on Robinhood. Guys, let's go and check my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS on Twitter. Also follow at Corion platform, and definitely follow our Laserpunk Launchpad, our Laserpunk NFT platform, the Laserpunk NFT Launchpad, Laserpunk_GATS. So if Bitcoin is not able to turn 43,000 into support, then it turns into resistance. If price returns to the 38 to 43,000 US dollar range, it means more accumulation to come. Yes, so Rec Capital showing us that this resistance flipped to support, and now it will flip to resistance again. Please smash those like. Instagram entering the NFT space will be huge. Laserpunks will contribute with many great collections. Cool. Guys, so that's it for today. Let's go and check our farms. If you are holding RC20 version of CorionX or Binance Smart Chain version, go and provide liquidity on Uniswap and PancakeSwap and lock up your LPs here and earn up a juicy 330% APRs. Let's go and check the charts. So Bitcoin is going down, and it seems that wants to break our upward trending trend line, and also going down at this downward trending trend line. The next level to watch is 42,000. If 42,000 will break, I think definitely Bitcoin will go down to this 39,000 US dollar levels, and I will short it if it will break down 42,000 US dollar. Quite funny, because Bitcoin shorts aren't increasing for now, but take a look on Ethereum. So Ethereum a little bit seems stronger than Bitcoin, trying to consolidate about 3,200, now sitting at 3,200. That is also a major support, but 3,000 is bigger support. So guys, this is for today. Smash those like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.